Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Mathematics. In this video, we are going to know about the precedence of logical connectives or operators. So precedence means which one comes first and which one comes next. So here, what is the requirement to know about this precedence? Basically, we know the 5 different connectives that everybody know. These are the negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional and biconditional. So among these 5 connectives, these are used to form the different compound propositions. So when a proposition is expressed, a compound proposition is expressed, that time these connectives are used somewhere, and if they are not properly separated by the brackets, then how we come to know that which connective or which operator do its job first and which after that if we know the precedence rule, then we can do it much more easily. So here these 5 connectives I can write in this sequence: negation, conjunction, disjunction, conditional and biconditional, and these are their preferences. If negation you will find out, then you should operate this one first. After that it is the conjunction, then it is disjunction, after that the implication, and after that the biconditional. This is the way, or this is the order of precedence of these 5 connectives. So let us do with the example this one. So suppose one expression is given P, then it is or it is the disjunction, then not Q, then or and R, that implies S, and that implies by T. So how to simplify or how to find out its truth table? So for that, at first we should do this one. That means at first we take the negation of Q. After completion of this one, this is the first preference. After doing this one, we should do this one. That means the conjunction, this one with this one. After that, in the second preference, we should do this operation. After completion of this one, we should do this third one. This is the third operation. Okay. So after that, we should do this one. After completion of finding out this truth table, we should do now this implication sign, that means this implication part, and after completion of this one, we should do the entire thing, that is the remaining part. So this is the order of solving of this particular compound propositions. So precedence of operators help us to decide which operator will get evaluated first in a complicated looking compound propositions. I hope it is clear. So let us do with an example so that it becomes much more clear. So for the example, here it is given that one expression P implies not Q and not P implies and implies by not Q. So what should be its outcome? So for that, here only 2 propositions are there. So P and Q are the propositions and these are the truth values for them. And here it is the not P and not Q we have to do, because not P and not Q are used over here. Now what to do? At first we do not P and not Q. Then we should definitely do this operation. So that is the AND operation. So not P and not Q, its AND operation is false, 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 true, false, true, false, false, and true, true is true. After that, we should do this conditional operation because it is in the next precedence. So let us do this one, we express as R. Let us think that this expression is nothing but R. So now we have to do P implies R. So this is our R. So P is this one and it implies R. So true, false, it is false, true, false, again false, false, true, false, false. So it is true, and false, true, it is true. So after this one, we can express this entire expression as S. So that we can say S implies and implies by not Q we have to find out now. So this S means that expression and not Q means this one. If we compare among these two, then we shall find out, as it is the biconditional. So both are true, then it is true, both are false, then it is false. Otherwise it, and then that time it is true, otherwise it is false. So it is false, false, so it is true, then false and true, then it is false, then true and false, then it is false, and true and true, then it is true. So this is the expression, and we can find out the truth table here. So without knowing the precedence of the operator, it is very difficult for us to evaluate a thing properly. You might done some mistake if the proper bracketing is not there, and if you know the precedence, then that wrong thing. That means that mistakes can be minimized, and we will not do in fact any mistake if we know the proper precedence, that means proper order of operations. So that's all for this video. Have a nice day and thank you all.